Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name's Ajiah. So, I know this video is a little different, but I just wanted to like really put y'all on because I feel like this channel needs to help y'all out, and my job as a content creator is to help you out. So let's just get right into it, no bullshitting. First thing we have on the list, I looked into all of this. I'm learning more and more as I go, and I just noticed I spelled this shit wrong, but you know what I mean? Y'all didn't see that. So reselling, we have Facebook, Poshmark, and Depop. I learned that Depop is good for teenagers. So people like my age, I'm 16. It's good to sell clothing on there. It's just difficult for your listings to get seen, but you know what I mean? It's different for everybody. You might make money. The two easiest right now are Facebook, Poshmark. Facebook has more of like groups, like Facebook groups. So there's more like dedicated selling. So if you have like, probably like essentials, they probably have essentials group that just look for essential hoodies, essential clothing, and all that. You can probably be the easiest to sell if you're just selling like high known brands, like you can buy shit off of H&M and resell it on there. You'll probably find most of that shit. Poshmark is really good too if you just want to sell clothes quick and just want to get them out. I know it's a very easy to get your selling seen. It's probably one of the most active ones. Facebook is probably the most popular one, but if it's more popular, your selling is probably going to get harder to see, depending on what it is. So where to get shit like sneakers. So sneakers is a really good reselling. I have been there. I've done all of these. I just wanted to let y'all know, just in case y'all think at least I have no experience. I'm just looking more information on this so I can help y'all out. So where to get them? Online retailers, Nike, StockX, all those have a higher buying. If you want to spend a little bit more money and you want to put like, but if they're more trustworthy. So if you want to spend more money for trustworthy, I don't know if StockX sells fake sneakers. I'm not the best person to ask for that, but if you want to get them checked, go ahead. Malls is a pretty good place to buy. I know malls are way more expensive when it comes to buying shoes and shit and clothes. I kind of wouldn't recommend it, but you know what I mean? It's up there if you have a mall near you and you just want to buy shoes and resell them. Just sell them for higher, because you know you want to at least make some profit off of it. Don't sell them for lower. I mean, you can if you're selling a bulk, like a good amount of shoes. If you have like 4 pairs of shoes, you can sell them for lower. Just make sure you're making money off of them, because that's the point of this video. And that's the point of reselling. But local marketplaces, you have OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, eBay. That's probably the best place to do it. Local marketplaces are the best places because usually shoes are sold lower and most people have more money to buy shoes, so they're selling them in bulk with a good amount of shoes. So you're probably having somebody who's selling Jordans for like 180 because they have a pretty good amount of shoes, so you're gonna get them for a lower amount. So that's probably the best option. Buying other people's shoes is a really good option too. Connections, if you have connections in places like Foot Locker, that's a really good place too. Try and be friendly and they'll probably hook you up, you know what I mean? Buy with proof of purchase, get a receipt, because like StockX, as of what I know, some of their shoes are fake. GOAT is usually where I buy my shoes, but it really just matters on the price. So just always get a receipt when you buy shit. What I found out today are Discord cut groups. It's literally just other retailers helping each other with reselling. They can find drops, shoes, shit. They can give you tips on reselling. If you're a new person, this is probably the best way for new people to get information on where to buy shoes. Most of the time they have subscription fees, but they're on Instagram, Discord. I literally just found out about this today, but I feel like it's the best option. So what to sell? You can either buy them new or used, and you can check the retail profit. So Dunks, Jordan 4s, Jordan 1s, and Yeezys. So Yeezys I know has a really good market, and Jordans do too. Everybody wants Jordans. It's probably one of the most sub shoes in the world, if not is. Dunks are up there too, and you can buy them for not that much, and you can resell them. So that's a really good thing to do. So where to sell? Instagram story, you can post on your story and you can put your payment option. I use Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, any of that shit that you want to, and you can ship them out and post. When you post them on your story, please post the size and what they're for, as you should, because it's like, why the fuck would I buy shoes and not know the size? So, and then people literally just swipe on your Instagram story and you can start a business like that. Another thing you can do is Flight Club. It takes 20% off of where you're selling, but you can sell your shoes on there, and then they'll take a 20% cut. So it's kind of fucked up, but they'll sell your shoes for you basically. I made that shit way more complicated than it needs to be. But this is probably one of my favorites is a clothing brand. I feel like everybody wants to start a clothing brand. It's cool as hell to see people wearing your clothing. But you can try a screen printing store. So this is what I partially did. I called down there and I was like, how would I start this? And they basically told me, bring down a print that you have. They'll print it onto clothing and then you have to buy it in bulk. You can't, screen printing stores, you can't buy a singular shirt. Sell, this is good if you want to sell like clothes in school, if you want to start a clothing brand, if you want to start just reselling them on the street, on a little market. Screen printing stores is probably what I would recommend because you have to buy them in bulk, but they're probably going to be a little more expensive. I don't 100% know the pricing because I haven't really looked too much into that, but it's a good option. Heat presses. If you make your pretty good amount of money, $100 to $200, heat presses, I would definitely suggest you buy. Just look more into it. If I'm sure you need a vinyl cutter and you need a printer, not like a normal printer. If I'm sure, I think you need like a heat sink printer, a vinyl cutter, basically. A vinyl printer. A heat to transfer printer. If I'm sure, I'm not 100% what they're called, but I'm learning more of this while y'all are too. But heat presses are the best and easiest option of what I know, and you just have to buy in bulk. So if you do want to look more into clothing brands, a place I would suggest you look into is the Brand Bible. Can't spell. The brandbible.us. So if you don't know what this is, it helps you with mockups, Adobe, Photoshop. I know you're seeing the prices like I don't want to pay for shit. Yes, I understand you. So they have resources right here and all this shit is free. So all this shit over here, just make sure when you go on the website, click resources and you'll get all this shit for free. They'll give you information for free and they'll give you trusted designers, Photoshop shit, fonts, free mockups and vectors, tutorials. So the tutorials really did help me too. And I'm sure, there's the person who made Gucci. I think he has I forgot exactly what he made. I forgot what his name was, but there's a guy who made like a little resource page on all this shit that he did when he was growing up on how to start his clothing brand. Definitely look more into that. I definitely will too, but that's a good option too. Just make yourself have options. So for number 3, we have YouTube automation. Get a group of friends and work on some YouTube videos. So if y'all just like know the basis of making YouTube videos, this is probably the easiest way of making money. I have done YouTube automation before. It takes a lot of work. I can't do it because I'm running my own YouTube channel. So if you just have time and you're able to do it, I can't do it while constantly trying to make 2 to 3 videos a day. The content that you can make in it though is rain videos, movie videos, inspiring videos, and tutorials. So what I would suggest, probably the best things to do in there are rain videos, tutorials, and movie videos. The inspiring videos, you kind of have to know how to edit. People are not just gonna watch you could literally just film yourself sitting there talking inspiring shit. Me. They do bring in a good amount because they do have like a positive, and they have like a positive outcome for them. Like it's a positive setting, I would say. Like you have a positive like thing behind it, like you're trying to send a message. But when it comes to rain videos and movie videos and movie videos, you're really just trying to make money off of them. They don't really give a fuck. The tutorials, I feel like has more of a positive because you're trying to help people. So inspiring videos and tutorials, you need more of knowledge on editing. But rain videos, I can help y'all out right now, actually. So really all you gotta do, just don't use Shutterstock because them niggas fucking they copyright the shit out of everything they use. Literally the medium light constant rain with a rumble thunder 1 minute 28 seconds. Literally just take this and just loop it and get footage from any website. Just search up free rain videos, I guess. Free rain footage, and then you can literally just get like this and then put it in Premiere, After Effects, anything you use, and just link them together and just loop them. Just make sure what I did, this kind of looks like it's like light rain. So I got a light rain, medium light rain sound. So it's not like thunder and then this, because this looks calm as shit. So most people use them for sleeping videos. So it'll have a long, what's it called? It'll run your stats up a lot because most of the time It will have a longer, what's the word? A longer watching duration. Because the more you're watching duration, the more content, the more people you're going to get towards your content. So, actually, I will help you out even more. And I'll show you on how much money they probably make. If I'm sure, you can search over here for rain videos. I'll just search for rain videos. And I'll show you how much this, they're probably making. So, Relaxing Sounds of Nature, I think is a good person to look in. He has 248K subscribers and 105 videos. That's actually really fucking good. That's crazy, actually, because there's people who have over. Usually, you get like 248K, mattering on what you make, mattering on the type of content you make. You probably get that around like 200 videos, I would say. As of what I know, I have like 70 videos and I have like 100K. I don't even have 100 subscribers yet, but 76 million views. That's fucking crazy for 105 uploads. And he has 248K subscribers, making $188 to 3K monthly and 2.3K to 36.2K yearly. And one thing I can say is this is not even accurate, because as of what I know, what I've been told, that this doesn't even, it's lower than what people actually make, because they check their how much they're actually making, and they don't really even get paid this much. They get paid way more. So he's probably making way more, but he's getting a really good like video income view, like 175,000 he's making $704, 753,000 he's making 3K, 188 to 3K. So that's crazy. Movie recaps, movie videos. So movie recaps is a really, really big, like, niche. That's the word, niche. It's a really big niche. So 474 videos, 2.04 million. So this is probably a group of people. Of what I know, it's a group, and they literally just fucking reword movies. So they're making crazy amount of money, because this is crazy. I've never looked at his channel before and see how much money he's making. But 474 uploads, 2.04 million, 765,529,284 views. That's crazy. And then he's making 4.3K to 68.2K monthly, and 51.1K. That's the minimum yearly to 818.2K. This is a crazy ass paycheck. And this was made 2019. So this was only made 3 to 4 years ago. That's insane to me. I might have to hop on YouTube automation. YouTube, don't sue me. Okay. Alright, so another option is you can use your talents with video creating, music videos, YouTube videos, etc. So I did a couple music videos for somebody. It actually is a pretty good pay. It's just more of, you have to like really be in contact and like really know what they want. So, because it's really like what they want onto a video. So it's a lot of communication. YouTube videos is kind of the same way, but rappers will pay so much money for music videos. It's fucking crazy. You will get paid hourly most of the time. People do like $30 hourly, $200 hourly. It matters on it matters on their pricing. But you can do art, digital art, drawings, posters, banners. I made my own banner for my own YouTube channel, but I got it off a tutorial. You can literally just look at tutorials and then look at how they make theirs and literally just change the name, and you can make money. I know it's kind of like scamming, but it's like you're getting what you want. I'm just doing it easier by looking at a fucking tutorial. So you can literally go into doing banners without even knowing how to do banners. But the only downside is that if somebody wants it a certain way and you can't find it, then you might be a little fucked. But Discord servers is probably a really good one too, because everybody wants Discord servers. There's so many people on Discord and everybody really doesn't know how to fully make one. It's really not that confusing, but it's just not something everybody knows how to do. So people do like $20, $5 hourly. I don't think anybody will go that low, but they're probably more expensive. It takes like weeks to make a really good Discord server, and if you're good at scripting, That's good. But scripting also goes into Roblox games. You see that little transition, that shit was fire. And in Roblox games, you can make money too if you're a scripter, a builder. Roblox game makers make a lot of money actually. Most of the time it's groups of people. You could literally just make some bullshit and get money if you just advertise it enough. So you can literally take the money you're making out of any of these other shits like clothing brands, reselling and all that shit. Go on Roblox, advertise it. You could start a clothing brand on Roblox and still make a good amount of money. And then you can invest that cash. Recycle your cash to make more profit. You can save your money and spend it on your business and expand your network and contact people. If you contact people, it will really help. You can slide some people deals. It will help them. They will help you as that goes. If you do, Foot Locker. Going back to sneakers. If you are nice to people on Foot Locker, if you know any employees who work there, they will slide you deals, and you can slide them deals when you resell sneakers, and they can slide you deals when new shoes come out. So it's like a help me help you situation. People will be nice to you if you're nice to them. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Definitely look into all of these. I'm sorry if I went too fast through some shit, but I will leave it up in the description if you want to look into it. Hopefully these niggas do not copyright me because it's my fucking background. I'll be so tight. But thank you for even taking your time out to look into this video, and I hope you have a very good journey. And you just trying to make some money, shit, just like me. But I love y'all. Definitely check out any of my other content. Fuck with the Discord down below. I will help you if you need anything. But I love y'all, and I hope y'all have an amazing day. Peace.